Hi, yoga buddies! Today we're doing a super fun yoga flow that helps your body feel lighter and stronger. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new adventure. Let's move slowly, breathe deeply, and awaken your strength from the inside out. Ready? Let's begin! Stand tall with both feet grounded, legs straight, arms relaxed by your sides, chest open, shoulders soft, looking forward with a calm gaze. Feet together or hip width, knees bent like sitting in an invisible chair, arms lifted overhead, long spine. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Front knee bent, back legs straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Stand with legs wide. Reach one hand down to the shin while the other arm extends straight up, chest open to the side. Alternate sides, left and right. Stand with feet wide apart, toes turned out. Bend knees deeply. Bring arms up with elbows bent at shoulder level. Strong and grounded. Sit with legs lifted in a V shape, arms reaching forward, back straight, core strong and steady. Lie on your belly, lift chest, arms, and legs gently off the ground, keeping neck long and gaze down. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward, reaching toward feet with a long spine. Now, let's pause and take a soft 30-second breathing break. Sit comfortably, place your hands on your belly, and feel your breath coming in and going out. Let your whole body relax while staying proud of your amazing practice. You did an amazing job today, Yoga Buddy. If you enjoyed this flow, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend so they can stretch and play with us too. See you next time. Namaste.